What's up everyone? You are watching One Click Creator channel. This is the tip and trick video. Today we're gonna learn how to duplicate and arrange artboard in Adobe Illustrator. First thing first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for another tutorial. Hit the like button and comment if you think this video can solve your problem. Okay, let's get started. Create the new document and I'm gonna use document size 50 by 50 pixel. For this tutorial then click create. This tutorial is useful for you when create the same size or you need to recolor to see different style on your design. Now we have one artboard here. Click the artboard tool, or Shift+O on keyboard. Then select and drag the artboard, hold Alt to duplicate, and hold Shift to keep it in line. I'm gonna duplicate 5 times and you can see this is very manual way to duplicate it and a lot of inconsistent gaps in between each of them. Next step, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to arrange all of these even if you have 100 artboards, and you will save a lot of time. Let's get started. Go to Windows and down to Artboards. You will see a lot of artboard there. In the bottom left corner, rearrange all artboard. And you will get a dialog box pop up and we can specify some setting, such as layout, column and spacing. You can choose layout that you might like. So I will let go for 2 columns and you can set the spacing as well. I'm gonna increase this to 10 pixel. Then click OK. How cool is it? You can see it automatically arranges all of my artboards with 10 pixel gaps and it's arranged them in 2 columns. If you are designing it as suite of icons or you just have ton of artboard that you like to quickly arrange, this is the way to do it. There we go, that's how to duplicate and arrange artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Again, don't forget to leave a comment if this video can be solved your problem. Subscribe if you like it. Thanks for watching and see you next tutorial.